Welcome everybody. I am at the farmhouse today, in the middle of putting up the drywall patches for the staircase. If you saw my earlier video, that was probably over a month ago now, I did one side of the staircase and I am now working on the other side, the opposite side, which is kind of halfway done now. I have to do 2 more patch pieces on that side. So I am on the break right now. I don't even know what time it is. Could have been noon by now or 2 o'clock, who knows. I've been here since this morning and I really don't like to work inside when it's such a nice day as today. I want to go and plant something, right? And pull some weeds. There's plenty of those in the garden beds. I'll take you inside in the dustiness and show you where I am with the project. I'm hoping I can at least finish the patchwork, and if I'm lucky I can start mudding the seams at least. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm doing, right? I watched some videos on how to tape the drywall seams, because I did not drywall this house for a reason, right? I hired someone to do it because it's just, I'm not good at it. That's the bottom line. And maybe it's easier when you're just putting up big sheets and everything is square, but here I have to squeeze it in there. The drywall needs to be squeezed in. Cutting the drywall is easy. All you do is core and snap and cut. That's not the bad part. The bad part is trying to squeeze the piece of drywall, which is, it's about 2 by 3 pieces between the stud wall and the stair. And someone suggested I do it whereas I cut it diagonally, and then I have less seams, because the way I'm doing it is just every 2 feet I'm making a block. And that's a perfect idea for sure, but I just don't know if I'm capable of doing that. So I'm doing what I can do and what worked, sort of. We'll see when I tape it and mud it, see how visible the seam's gonna be. I'm just gonna have to keep mudding it until it's totally smooth. So it will be multiple layers for sure. So let's go inside. So here's the status from the previous video. You saw me doing this part here. I kind of showed you how it's done. So there are 4 sections on each side. So on the other side I finished 2 sections here. The top section has to be done in 2 pieces because it has to squeeze in this way and that way, and there was just no way to do that. So I'm almost done. I swept up a little bit. There was a lot more mess. I just wanted to sweep up so I don't have to just track the dirt, although it's tracking. So I just have to cut these 2 pieces out here. I already marked it, and then finish those. So once I finished, I'll show you. I don't want to really film what I'm doing because it's sort of boring, because you've seen it before, but I will probably film when it's time to do the seams. So let me get back to work and I'll show you at the end how it looks. I am done for today. I finished that side, patching it, and next time I'm here I'm gonna be mudding the seams and the screws, and if I need to put more screws in there where I cut it, I'll do that. But it's gonna look okay. Like right now it looks terrible, but as I said, it has to look worse before it can look better. The other thing I'm gonna probably have to do is, once this is all smooth and painted and everything, I'm gonna put a trim, because the way the studs are and the way it's attached, the way the stair stringers were attached, nothing is square, as you can see. I was matching the stair cuts to the stringer, but as you can see, it's somewhere it's very tight, like right here it's very tight, and there is a gap, and there's another gap, so then that's tight. The next one is loose, so yeah, I'm gonna have to put in a little bit of a trim of some kind. So I think once it's painted, I'll make a decision on how that's gonna look like, but I'm satisfied with my accomplishment today. I'm gonna head home now, and I'll see you next time.